guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. If you love wig reviews, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Today I'm going to review a wig by a company called Alipop. They are a new up-and-coming wig company. They sell human hair wigs. And right now they're featuring their 4C Kinky Curly Edge Bob units. And they sent it over to me to review you guys. So let me go ahead and unbox. They did send me some stuff along with it. They sent me some wig caps, a wig band if I wanted to install that. Let me take off the stuffing. They gave me some free lashes and elastic bands to lay my edges. Yep. So I will be using that. It has a band already inside, so this is gonna be like 100% totally glueless. It has two combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, as well as the band I was speaking about. This is what the unit looks like before I do anything with it. It's definitely a kinky curly texture. This is gonna mimic natural afro textured hair. And the edges, here are the edges, and this is a 5x5 closure unit, guys. So this is the closure units is what makes it glueless, and we're definitely going to take it there. So this is what the edges looks like. She doesn't have a funny smell or anything. This is 10 inches long. It says 10 to 12 on the page, but I believe that it's a bob unit, so it's cut evenly. I'll say it's about 10 inches. And the lace is really thin, so she's going to melt into my skin flawlessly. I want to bring out the natural texture. Well, this is a natural texture. What I mean is I want to wash it and see what the end result will be. Like, it's kind of like been flattened a little bit during the shipping process. So I want to wash her and then dry her and fluff her out. So I'll be right back. So I went ahead and washed the wig, and now it's time to apply her. I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace with my Ebin lace tinting spray. This is optional, but because my skin is darker, I do usually need to tint the lace. I'm going to secure the closure. This is a glueless wig. You don't have to, but because the cap is larger for my head, I have a small circumference. I'm going to go ahead and secure her so she doesn't lift. So I'm using the Ebin holding gel and the adhesive spray to do this. I'm going to let it dry and then press the comb, take my comb and press the lace into the adhesive. Touch up where I need to, and then apply my lace melting band for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. Make sure you cut it in a jagged line because this helps to mask the edge of the lace and let the lace melt into your skin better. I'm going to go back over on the top with a little bit of the adhesive spray to melt the lace more. So it is totally invisible and it does work. And I'm going to apply the lace band again. This is the part where I finesse the baby hairs. They are really frizzy, so you will need to make them more soft and baby hair-like. I'm going to cut them down. A lot of times I always cut down baby hairs on any type of wig, so this is totally normal. And then I'm going to take my foaming mousse. This is going to help to define the curls better. And I decided to kind of like lay them like how you would normally lay your curly baby hairs and let them curl up. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm basically testing like where I wanted to swoop them because you're going to need more product to lay them. I'm going to go back in with my Ebin holdings or the adhesive spray. This has a great hold, better than the Got2b freeze blasting spray. And I'm going to start to swoop them. And it didn't actually lay all the way flat. It kept puffing up. So I went back in with the Got2b holding gel, or I forgot what kind of gel, the exact name, but it's the one in the black bottle. And I'm just going to add a little bit and finish swooping. I didn't show this part, but after I finished laying the baby hairs where I wanted to, I did take an edge scarf and laid it down for like maybe a couple of minutes
That way the baby hairs could be solidified in that exact position. So once I'm able to lay the baby hairs, I go in and define the curls on the rest of the hair. And the way I'm going to do that, you're going to see here, I'm going to take a water bottle. The water has a little bit of oil mixed into it. That's what we use for our natural hair in this household. So I'm going to saturate the hair with the water. And if you can see in the background, I'm watching this movie called From. You can watch it on Prime. If you have Prime, it's a series. It's really, really good. So go ahead and watch it. Back to the hair, I did apply the foaming mousse to the rest of the hair. I'm going to finger comb that all the way through and saturate it. You can tell I'm really concentrating on that. I did want to do a middle part, but it just didn't look right to me. I guess for my face shape, it just didn't look right. But I just took a hot comb and tried to press it down to see if that would help. It really didn't, but I do this anyway just to so the part can be more prevalent. But I still went in with my concealer to define the part even more. And that's when I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do a flip over method. And then you can see that at the end of the video where I give my final thoughts on this wig.
Okay guys, so this is the finished result. Let me go ahead and do a 360 for you. This is the back. It touches right at the shoulders, so it's a true curly bob. True bob. I really enjoy it. I was a little hesitant at first because me and curly hair don't always get along, but this turned out really, really well. And the edges, as you can see, I kind of like finessed them to get them to look a little more sleek, yet still like a sleek curly instead of like a frizzy curly. So yeah, I did finesse it. This is a glueless wig. You do not have to add any of the products I use to lay her down, but because the wig is a little bit big for my head, I have a smaller size circumference. This is an average size circumference cap. So because of that, I decided to secure her in the front so it doesn't go flying everywhere. But yeah, I'm really thoroughly impressed. I was originally doing a middle part, but I just flipped it over because I just thought it looked better for me. So yeah, this unit is very affordable. She's only $119 and some change, so roughly $120. I'm pretty sure there will be some discount codes, and I'll put them in the description box below. But yeah, she's definitely affordable, and she's really lovely. Great for the summer. Great vacation hair since she is glueless. Guys, go ahead and cop up. I'm really thoroughly impressed with Alipop. And they have really fast shipping. If you want to see any me modeling this wig in pictures, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, and go ahead and follow me on TikTok. The links will be in the description box. I also own my own beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, where I sell 100% real mink lash strips, like the pair I'm wearing now. This pair is called Tanja. The link will be in the description box too, because lashes complete your look. Do not get caught out here looking like a turtle without no lashes and y'all all glammed up. Go ahead and click the link in the box. I got styles made for everybody. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.